Hello everyone, and here now we're again back to our Figma tutorial, and here I'll be showing you guys how you can actually design a web page using the shape blocking method. So I'll be telling you guys about the shape blocking and how you can actually design a particular web page and make one using shape blocking. So let's get started with this class. So now here I'm on my workspace and I'll be creating a frame from here. So I will be creating it for a desktop. So let me take a size of MacBook Air. Okay, so I do have this size. And what I'm going to do is from here, I will come to the layer grid options and I will create a layout grid. Okay. But what I'm going to do is I want to edit this, okay? So suppose I'll be taking here 120, okay? And maybe 126, yeah, something like that. And yeah, the color is fine, everything is okay. So as you guys can see, I do have these grids here, and following this grid, I'll be making my designing. Okay, so how we're going to do that? First, come to the shape option, take up a rectangle shape. Okay, so I do have this rectangle shape here, and now I'll be copying this one just beside here. So this is how we'll be making a pattern of shapes. So here I do have a particular pattern here, and I can also create some around here. I'll just go back. Yeah, again, this one, and here I will copy this as well. And here I'll join this one with this. Okay, so now here you guys can see I do have a pattern of shapes. So now here you can see I do have these four ends. So from there, I'm just going to decrease the size. So for that, what I need to do is I need to double click. And once I double click here, you guys can see I do have these shapes here, okay, or the points here. So if I just want to change one corner radius, I'll be selecting on this, and from here I can basically decrease, and I'll be doing the same here. Select this corner, and after that I will decrease the size. So I'll just continue this process. So as you can see, it will kind of give me a nice little design which I can use. Here as you can see, if I'm taking this one, okay, so here as you guys can see, now I do have a nice shape. So here I can also do many other things instead of this one. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys one by one, like what all we can do here. So first let me just fix on with the design. So yeah, I feel this kind of looks okay, this designing. Here again I will take and I will decrease this. Yeah, this one is fine as well. Okay guys, so here I do have these shapes, and now suppose I want to I'll come here, okay, in this particular box here, and now what I want to do is I want to put some strokes here. So in that case, come to the strokes option, and from here you can change the grid, and also come in the fill option and you can delete the fill here. Okay, the same way I can take the stroke here, I can put the stroke accordingly, And now I can actually delete the fill. And if I want to put any color on the stroke, I can come here. Suppose I want to put something in blue, I can give it a blue color. If I come here and in this stroke option, I can give it a red color. Okay, so we can do this as well. And suppose I do have two shapes here. Okay, so let me come here again. Let me take a rectangle shape. And now I will just increase the stroke size, and I will just cancel the fill. The same way I will take a ellipse and I'll come here. Increase the stroke size again from here. And from here also I'll just delete this. Okay, so I will just maintain this one. And from here, once I select both of this, I'll come here. I will just click on subtract selection. Okay, oh, I have selected those three. I select this one and I can do this. Otherwise, if I go to this option, I can do this as well. So this is another design which I have just created. And here, this one I can place it accordingly. Okay, wherever I want to put. If I want to create any circle, in that case, I'll select this hole from here. And now I can change the corner radius. So this is another way of how we can do this. So from here also, I'll do the same. I'll just make it a circle. So this is how you can do designing for your web page. Okay, so now suppose I want to put up an image. So in that case, what you're going to do is come select this one and now place an image from here. Suppose I want to put maybe I'll come to some of these options out here. Let me go to the desktop. Here, resource file. Okay, just let me put this image as an example. So I'll click on this. And from here, I can basically resize this one and I can put, okay. So this is one way of how you guys can do this one. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood till this much of how we can basically do this. So now this is the time that we will do the coloring. Okay, I hope you guys have understood till here. If I want to make any changes here, I can do it according to my need. So here you guys can see I can make shapes like this as well. So here also, if I want to change any radius, I can change it from here. So this is how we can do this. And suppose I want to change both of these radius at the same time. So here you guys can see, first I need to select both of this, right click, group selection, and now this is a particular group. So if I make any changes here in this particular set of group, so I can do this from here. Oh, this is the rotation one. You can also rotate your things from here. So let me put up different colors. So for that, I will take one color frame or something like that. So let me get one wheel. So I do have it here. So what I'll do is I'll bring this here and I'll copy this one here and also decrease the size at the same time. Okay. I'll just back, and now I can select it manually from here. Okay, place image option, downloads, open, and I want this one to be somewhere here that I can get access to all the colors which I'll be using here. So now I do have this, and here using the eyedropper tool, suppose I do have this, and now I will come to the fill option, and from this I'll come here. Suppose I want a pink color, I'll select this pink color, and here if I want this color I can put this one, and again here this color, select this layer, come here, choose this one, select colors. So here I will just finish up putting colors on all these wheels. Okay, so this is how you guys can basically follow, and if you guys need any kind of idea about what colors to use, you guys can always recommend the gradient. So that is one way of how you can basically do. So this is how you need to work on what colors to put on. Okay, so maybe if I will select both of this, and now I want to fill any color, maybe I'll take this. So this is how I can change colors, and if I'll take this one, take the eyedropper tool. With the eyedropper tool you guys can basically take a green, take this one, fill this maybe with this color. Okay, I'll fill this one with this, and this one with something in green. Okay, so from here eyedropper tool, yes. So from here, as you can see, I can now delete this one. So I'm now done with my design here. So I'll select this one as a whole, and I will click on Control G. Okay, so this is a group. I can double click, and I can name this as shape blocking. So here you can see I just made up a shape here. Now again choose this particular page, and you can just remove the layout grid. Voila, so I do have my design as well as I do have a clear page. So now what you can do is you can come here in the text box option. Now you can make your own text box. Suppose I want to write UI UX designing class. So here you can see I have written. So from here I'll select this, Control Shift and the full stop. So this is one cool way of managing or increasing your font size. And how you can decrease it's just with comma. Okay, so now I'll be changing the font size or the font style. I will take extra bold, or I will take something in bold. And I'll choose up a different color here. So let me take yeah, this color is fine, and I'm happy with this one from here. Okay, So now again come to the text option, and now you can type here. Take again from here. I can write unleash your power of designing. And now I will select this one, bring it in the center, and also adjust the text type. Okay, yeah, I want it kind of like this. And with my move tool, I can basically grab this one and bring it here. Okay, so yeah, I'm done with the web page. And now if I want to select this, okay, maybe this one, the whole box, I can come here and I can actually select the color, like the background color as well. Okay, so I can do that. Let me come here, so you guys can see I can change the background color as well. So let me just do some experimentation of how it might actually look. So yeah, I'm ready with my web page, and now I've already shown you guys in the tutorial how you can do prototyping. Okay, so from here, if you do have another page here, come here, flow start pointing, and once I do that, if I click here, you can see the plus options. You can just redirect if you guys make any buttons. So how you want to do that, you guys can do that. So here in this project, I have shown you guys what shape blocking is and how you can make some stunning designs using the shape blocking method, and also how to create your web page. So hope you guys have understood this class, and now by referring to this project, you guys can make your own web page or make your own designing in these pages. Okay, so take care everyone, and hope you guys have understood this particular lesson.